back to Time to Play. Today we'll be making pizzas.
Una mattina mi sono svegliato, oh bella ciao, bella ciao, bella ciao, ciao, ciao. Una mattina mi sono svegliato.
We looked it up on the internet. We need some ingredients. We needed some yeast, I'm crying with funniness, but they didn't have any because the shops are cuckoo. So instead we're using flour, baking powder and some olive oil. We're going to mix all of these together to make the dough. I'll do this one instead. We tried to find a recipe for pizza dough, but lots of them used yeast, but we don't have any. So instead we went on a website called Gemma's Bigger Bolder Baking and we found a recipe with no yeast. You can find this recipe at biggerbolderbaking.com. Thanks, Gemma! We need salt as well. Now we're going to need some measuring cups, whisk and mixing bowl. We don't need this carrot. I forgot the jug. Now I need 2.5 cups of flour. So I need 2 of these and 1 of these. How much did you spend? Next, we're going to need 3 teaspoons of baking powder. And instead of using like a teaspoon for your tea, we're going to use these because these are going to be a lot more accurate. So we need 3 of these. Now I need 1 teaspoon of salt. I know this is a teaspoon because it said 1 TSP. So in this bowl we have flour, baking powder and salt. And we now need to mix it. I'm going to use a whisk. That looks good to me. Now I need 3/4 of a cup of water. That would look like a 3 next to 4, but there wasn't one on here. So we're using 1/4 and 1/2. Now I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of olive oil to the water. Water mixture to our dry mixture, and we're going to do that slowly, and Charles is going to mix it while I pour it. Now I've got a nice clean hand that I've washed, and now I've got to mix this up into a nice dough. Gemma says you know you've done a good job when you've got dough and a clean bowl. So we need to work a bit more and then it'll be perfect. Now we're going to roll them out. But don't forget to put flour on your board so that your dough doesn't stick. What I'm going to do is pinch up the edges. Put on some pizza topping. You really need to spread it, not just blob it. Oh, it smells nice. I'd take that bigger tomato. That's great. I'd recommend that one. Tomato Wars. I'm not quite sure how you pronounce it, but it says tomato sauce with herbs. Cheese. Don't put the whole block on. And some over here, and maybe a bit over there. Oh yes, yeah, I need to wash it out. I decided that I would want some chorizo on mine, which is basically pepperoni in a long sausage, but it's a lot more spicy and it's a bit thicker. I just think it's way too spicy. I'm gonna have some olives. Have a bit more chorizo. Now we're going to put them in the oven. Gemma says we need to do it at 200 degrees Celsius, and we need to do it about 15 minutes. Get the olives, Charles. I smell the olives. I think we should see if our pizza's ready. Yeah, because I'm starving. They look good to me. I don't know. I think they're good. I think they're good. I think we should leave them in just a bit more. No. Or not. The Alexa's gone off. What do you mean? Let's take them out.
Una mattina mi sono svegliato, oh bella ciao, bella ciao, bella ciao, ciao, ciao.
Definitely worth the effort. The pizzas were delicious. You should definitely use biggerbolderbaking.com. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time at Time to Play.